like I say I have kids. I do have 2 kids. I have an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, and you're just like, Isabel, you're a beautiful jungle child. How is it possible that you've already given life to the world? My son is starting to put those pieces together too, and I was not prepared for this. He goes up to me and he's like, Mommy, I realized you're younger than all of my friends' parents. How did that happen? This is a case where I did not edit myself. I looked my sweet little 8-year-old son in the eyes and I went, by accident. I couldn't think of another thing to say. Look, it's the truth, okay? I had my son very young. I was in university, and now all my friends are comedians. I don't know any other parents. Parenting feels very unnatural to me, like I haven't settled into it yet. I still feel very much like a fun babysitter, but where the parents are just never coming home. And now I've got to look after these kids and make sure they don't die. A really good example of this is the other day my son comes home from school looking like really serious and upset, like we're about to have a discussion. He was like, Mom, Jaden says that apparently pancakes are breakfast food. Who is this snitch Jaden? Blowing the lid off my #1 dinner recipe for 8 years running. I'm sorry. So I just leaned in real close and I was like, well, Jaden's mom told me that he's adopted. Spread that around the school.